The topic is romancing of AI with Excel. Even this PPT is created using AI only. Agenda is introduction, overview, AI tools. We'll be using Copilot, the demonstration, and AI benefits for CAs. AI tool in Excel is smart technology we are using to make our day-to-day life in a very short span of time. We can analyze the data. We have already seen many presentations. They can clean up the messy data, predict the future trends, and so on. AI benefits for chartered accountants working with efficiency, increase in productivity, automation, like Nanda sir also said, available 24/7. And AI helps us to reduce the human errors. With this, we'll quickly move to the demonstration part. So this is the sales data we will be using. I have already created a small dashboard. These all charts and diagrams are created using Copilot. Using this data, we'll be showcasing this. Currently, Copilot is not allowing us, or it is in development phase. So these slicers are inserted manually without using the Copilot, and the rest of the charts, diagrams are changing depending on that slicer. Let's first understand the data. Now I'll open another file which is already there. So this is the raw data without any operations performed over it. We have store, country, region wise, date wise, item wise, salesperson wise, quantity sold, the list price, and actual sales price. So I'll start Copilot. This is the paid version. I'm using Office 365. So we have quantity sold here and the actual sale price. So first, I'll ask it to add sales column. All right, that's it. You just need to, if you are able to send SMS or talk on WhatsApp, you can definitely will be able to use artificial intelligence. They're very easy in getting the data. The only drawback Copilot is having is you need to have your data on OneDrive, and it hardly takes few seconds. It is generating the formula. Uh, all right, it has not. Okay.
You just say add sales column. Is come in between, so it will not take.
All right, let's check if it works. All right, my bad.
There's no column showing sales.
Now I think it is generating the formula. Now see, we are aware the artificial intelligence is in development phase. So you need to write the prompt correctly. All right, it is showing quantity sold multiplied by actual price. Once I hover the cursor on the insert column, it will insert the sales data for me and calculate the data. All right, so now the data is added, column is added. Now we'll ask it. All right, we'll ask it to create a sales by region in a column chart. It is again analyzing the data, and it will give us a chart which we can insert in a separate sheet. All right, we'll add it to a new sheet. Okay, so here we have our data region wise, and the sales chart is also given. Now I'll insert a new sheet called as dashboard, and I'll simply take this chart and paste it here. The next thing, well, again, I have to go to the original data set, and now I'll go ahead with sales by item in a column chart.
For last 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. So again, we'll add to a new sheet. So this is our sales by item. We'll again paste the, and here we can insert a slicer. I'll insert a, let's say, region-wise slicer. Okay, there's the slicer. I'll have to connect both the pivot table, and I'll paste this. So the moment I click on any of the region, my data is changing. The charts have been created using Copilot, and the final outcome, the final dashboard, there's a nice looking dashboard. All these charts have been created using, since we have short time available, we have inserted year-wise slicer also. And we have this line diagram for salesperson-wise data. Yes, thank you guys. That's from my side today.